I'm a Bullis Student Tutor, and in this video we will be talking about expanding. Let's start with a basic problem. 3 times x minus 7. In order to distribute the 3 across, we need to multiply it by the x and then by the negative 7 in the parentheses, and this will leave us with 3x minus 21. Let's try another example where we will combine like terms. In this example, we will have two sets of distributions. I find it helpful to separate the problems when distributing so we don't mix up the numbers. To start, we will multiply 2 to the negative n and then to the negative 3, which will leave us with negative 2n minus 6. Next, we will distribute the negative 7 to the 5 and then to the 2n in parentheses, and this will leave us with negative 35 minus 14n. Oh, sorry, I made a little mistake there, but yeah, it's minus 14n. To combine, we will group up negative 2n and we will combine negative 2n minus 6 and negative 35 minus 14n, and then we will group up the coefficients together, so we will have negative 2n minus 14n and negative 6 minus 35, and negative 2n minus 14n is negative 16n, and negative 6 minus 35 is negative 41. Thanks for watching.